Being ignored hurts more than rejection, because rejection gives you a reason. But being ignored leaves you alone with your thoughts. You start wondering, did I say something wrong? Am I boring? Do they not like me? But here's the truth. People don't ignore you for the reasons you think. In psychology, being ignored is rarely about your worth. It's about how your presence interacts with their mind, their emotions, and their insecurities. Today, we'll explore the real psychological reasons people ignore you, the ones you never notice, but feel every day. 1. You don't match their emotional frequency. People respond to the energy they feel. If you're calm around loud people, or loud around quiet people, you become invisible to their emotional radar. Psychology calls this emotional mismatch, and the brain automatically tunes out whatever feels out of sync. 2. You over-explain, over-apologize, or over-try. When someone senses desperation, even unintentionally, their brain triggers a social distancing response. Not because they hate you, but because humans are wired to avoid people who seem unsafe, uncertain, or too eager. Trying too hard makes people pull away. 3. You don't set boundaries, so people don't value you. People ignore what's freely available. If you always say yes, always reply instantly, always adjust for others, their brain learns. You'll be there anyway. Boundary absence equals respect absence. 4. You're too nice in a way that feels suspicious. When someone is too nice, people subconsciously think, what do they want? Or they're hiding something. This is called the impression management effect, when kindness feels like a strategy, not a personality. 5. You trigger their insecurity without knowing sometimes. People ignore you because your presence makes them feel less confident. Maybe you're talented, calm, disciplined, or emotionally stable. Qualities they lack. Their brain protects them by avoiding you, not because you're bad, but because you make them confront their own flaws. 6. You're not assertive, so your voice doesn't register. In social groups, the human brain naturally prioritizes those who speak clearly, hold eye contact, take space, express opinions. People who speak softly or appear unsure get pushed to the background, even when they're right. 7. You blend in. Instead of standing out, humans ignore what feels common and notice what feels different. If you avoid expressing personality, humor, style, opinions, your presence becomes neutral noise. People don't dislike you, they just don't remember you. 8. You don't mirror their communication style. People love people who feel like them. If they talk fast and you talk slow, if they joke and you stay serious, if they open up and you stay closed, they unconsciously disconnect. It's not personal, it's psychology. Being ignored doesn't mean you're unimportant. It means you're not communicating in the way their mind recognizes, respects, or feels connected to. Most of it isn't your fault. No one teaches us social psychology. But once you understand these patterns, people stop overlooking you and start noticing the real you. When you understand people, you stop chasing them, and they start noticing you.